ගන්න ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ මයින්ඩ්සෙට් එක මේක කරනවා නම් මොන වගේ දවස්වලද වැටෙන්නේ මොකද්ද කින්දමද ඔයගොල්ලෝ ක්ලියර් කරගන්න තියෙන ඕනේ is in here. It's a 3 months full time course, right? Monday to Thursday, 4 days a week, right? We have a class. Same class we are doing with another lecturer. 2 months online. 1 month only advanced practicals here in school, only during the weekend. That is for those who are working, right? You will be getting the government certificate level 3. But when we do online, you have to have a kitchen. The lecturer will demonstrate everything and you will have to do it. She will be watching. So 20 practicals we are doing online. 20 practicals we are doing during the weekend, that is during the last month of the course at the school. Then you are done with 40 practicals. You will learn normal bread, fish buns, viand roll, purakkam bread, sesame bread, garlic bread, all that. Then you will be learning for pastries, puff pastry, fish puffs, chicken pie, all sort of things. Then for chew pastries, you will be learning donuts, eclairs, fruit tarts and all sort of things. Dessert, you will be learning about chocolate mousse, caramel pudding, blancmange, fruit trifles and all sort of things. Cakes will be doing sponge cake, butter cake, chocolate cake, gâteaux, black forest. So altogether 40 practicals we will be doing here. So we have two models. One model is for people to come and study here in the school all 4 days from 9 o'clock to 4 o'clock, full time. Same course we are doing online half, online 2 months, 1 month during the weekend, and it's the same certificate you are getting. That is pastry and bakery. Then we have international cookery, where you will be learning about the soups, sauces, salads, canapes, fish, chicken, beef items. That is the international cookery, level 3. Apart from that, for those who have not been educated so much, who has studied only up to grade level, say 8 or 6, we have courses, room boys and waiters, government courses. So if you have anybody, let them register immediately after the course. Just 3 months experience, we can send them abroad. More than 80,000 to 100,000 salary. If you have anybody, poor people, that course cost is something like 45,000 for 3 months. So basically 15,000 a month. We are doing it for the society actually. We only want to recover the cost for 3 months. And if you have any difficult characters like very poor deserving people, you can recommend. We will give the sponsorship. Total course fee free of charge, especially for housekeeping and restaurant. But you have to prove that they are deserving. You have to bring a letter from the mosque. All sort of things are there. If they are deserving characters, we will be giving free of charge, and they will have a life thereafter. They don't have to go and drive a 3-wheeler or get involved with drugs and all that. Now, this is the issue we want to sort out in this country. If you have an uneducated boy, what he can do, either he can take a 3-wheeler and go into the 3-wheeler. 3-wheeler society is the most corrupted, where all robberies, drugs and women, all that involved with the 3-wheeler stuff, right? So never let anyone to, get a 3-wheeler and go to that society. The other thing is, when they do this kind of a course, your English won't be a matter. We will teach English also, right? And after 3 months, we will find him a job in Sri Lanka for 3 months working. After that, we have lots of good foreign employment bureaus tied up with us. Emerald, Divan Consultants, Al-Khari, they are not charging anything. We can send them abroad as room boys, as waiters. They will earn more than 80,000 guarantee. So there is a lot of opportunities. But remember, if they come for that kind of course, with all due respect to the religion, they have to shave their beard, this and that, and cut their hair, because this is what the hotel industry do. We can't find only Muslim hotels where people will go with a beard and work. This is a food industry, so they have to oblige to our rules and regulations, but not our, basically the industry regulations, right? So if you all have anybody, please send them. We are starting another batch. Pastry and bakery, international cookery, waiter, food service, room boys. And we have another course for front office, for those who want to work in the front office, talking to the guests and working in the reception. But they have to have at least A-level and little bit of good English speaking. They have to converse with the people. So we have a course for that as well. On top of that, we have a course called Diploma in Confectionery Art for Adults. It's 250,000 right now, 3 months. We have a weekday class and weekend class. It's a high-end, how to garnish cakes and with the fondant and all that. I can show you the production that they have made. All the pictures are there in that room. That is also another course for adults, but that is for people who has money. 250,000, but it's a high-end course. If you want to go to Canada or Australia to get some visa, people come and do that cake course, cake decoration. There is a huge demand for cake decoration right now in the country, in the overseas. And many of them who got this qualification have been migrated to Australia, Canada, UK and so on. So that is also there. But please, my appeal, if you know a poor family, somebody who is just idly doing nothing, please send them. We will find them a life. We will give them a life. You know why? If your neighbor is an uneducated person doing nothing, one fine day they will disturb you. They will rob things. They will, get involved with other things next to your doorstep. Then you are also, spotted. They do, smuggling, drug, all that. Then it's a problem for society. And when you have children, then you will be scared to put them out also because of your neighbor. So find out in your area if you have somebody. Bring them over here. If they are really poor, we are ready to give them sponsorships. Free. Right? If they can manage, let them do this 3 months course. We will find them a job. In the hospitality industry, there are enough jobs. Right? So we can't meet with that demand. So after working in a hotel for 3 months and the certificate, that alone is enough for them to claim for foreign jobs. Right? So those are some of the things that we are doing over here. And if people want to do half the course online, half the course physically here, all the courses we have the module now. Those who can't come every day, they can stay at home and start learning. And only for the practical they can come during the last month. 3 months will go like this. But thereafter, he is not just an ordinary person, he is a man with some qualification. Of course, now Cinnamon Grand is asking for waiters. Any amount we can. Kingsbury is 5 stars. How many of my students are working right now? And they came here without, they were clueless about hoteliers. They don't know what a spoon and a knife is. But we train them. So please, this is a help to the society. Our intention is also to make sure that people will obtain some good qualifications, skill knowledge, and they will start earning in a very legal and a decent manner. I mean, you can proudly say that I am a waiter at Cinnamon Grand. It's not a kind of something to be ashamed about. If you are a chef or a cook in Cinnamon Grand, it's a very you're proud to say that. And you have lots of global market, opportunities in the global market, not only here. Dubai, Qatar, Saudi, Maldives, now Serbia, Romania, all European community countries. Recently we sent one of our students to Romania. Romania is what? It's a Western country. When we get the visa endorsed once, then he will be able to fly without any help thereafter. He has already covered foreign visa, right? From there they can even, now European world is together, you can cross to any country and get opportunities. So there are ample opportunities, but only thing, the people in the country or the society are not aware. They are only thinking if they just crashed up with their O level, oh, my son has no future, right? Because everybody is dreaming only to make his son a doctor, engineer, architect, and so, or teacher or something like that. But there are many other areas where they can earn better than even a qualified teacher. Graduated teacher will earn maximum 40,000. Ordinary waiter in a hotel will get 14,000 salary plus service charge on top of it, another 35,000 average. How much is that? He is earning more than a graduate teacher. There are hotels, they pay 60,000 service charge, but now because of the COVID, our business has come down. But when they go abroad, they are okay. They are fine the rest of their life. They can help the parents, they can help the brothers and sisters, and they can establish themselves. So that is the beauty of this industry. That is why we are training many people. Even for you all, people are interested the cake decorations, or pastry bakers, because now home bakers have become very popular in our country. We don't go and buy cakes from Fabbo, Sponge or any other place. We basically tap a professional who is making a good cake at home. And those who passed out from this during the COVID period, they were the best to be benefited, because all these Fab, Sponge and all that, what you call the bread shops, they were closed. And they place all the birthday cakes, wedding cakes placed in the private. People who do the cakery at home. And you are charging about 3,000, 4,000 rupees a cake, handmade, decorated cake, professional cake. So, opportunities are there just to make you aware of what we are doing. So, if things work out with this course, we will also would like to partner with them, but we are still in the negotiation level to carve out your syllabus, the timing, and the mechanism. If so, next academic can be your certificate awarding board, if everything comes right with Amitabh's. We are discussing, and that is why I allowed them to have the orientation over here. And we would like to partner this course, where you will get a valuable certificate at the end of the course. Okay, any other questions? Am I talking too fast, or I hope what I said is very clear, isn't it? I especially came for Mrs. Amitabh's invitation today. Normally I don't come on Saturdays. Thank you for the lovely gift.
Yeah, welcome.
Yeah, so that I can